Did you know? Australia once declared war on birds. Not just any birds, but emus. In 1932, the Australian military was actually deployed. Here's something you won't believe, the reason. A massive drought had driven thousands of emus into farmland, destroying vital crops. Farmers, many ex-soldiers, demanded intervention. Armed with machine guns, soldiers faced an unexpected and agile enemy. Emus, surprisingly fast and difficult targets, proved to be far more formidable than anyone anticipated. But here's the wildest part: the war was a total failure. After weeks of effort, the military withdrew, leaving the emus victorious. Imagine an entire army losing a war to a flock of flightless birds.